Hi, I'm George. In this video, I will make Quince Jam. I did promise you, so I have to make, and so many fruits gave me these trees, all my own trees, and great, growing a lot of fruits, and I have to pick them. Look at them, so great fruits and healthy fruits, and I have to work a little bit, and let's do it. I picked them, and now I have to clean the dust from the fruits, like so. This is ready, here we go. And I have to clean all of them. Now I am in the kitchen and we have to wash them in water. Now after I washed them, I have to cut them and clean inside, and after that cut them in slices. Let's do it. So finally I did cut them all. It took me a few hours. Now we have to make syrup and we need 2 pounds of sugar per liter of water. Now we have to pour water there and open fire. We have to and put sugar in water. We have to mix and waiting for boil, and we'll see. Now the syrup boils and we have to mix it well, and after that we will put the fruits there. And must be cooked with very little fire. I did put all the fruits and I am happy it fits. And we have to mix sometimes and waiting for boil. You can see the syrup. Nice. The Quince Jam already boiling, and we have to let to boil about 20 minutes, something like that. And after that we will stop, and tomorrow we will boil again. So mix it and cover it with something and let it cool. Good morning. Now it's time to boil them again. Let's open this, and very nice. We have to open fire again, and a little fire we need. So we're waiting for boil. Almost boiling, and we have to mix it again. Now in the meantime, we need to sterilize the jars and cups. So I almost finished this work where Quince Jam is ready to put in the jars and close them, and just let's do it. So nice, I finished this. Now we have to lock these cups. And I like the color, it's very nice. Now after I did that, I put them there and we have to cover them with something and let them cool, and after that we have to move them in the basement and keep them there. So that's it, here we go. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Have an amazing day. Greetings from Moldova, and see you next time. Bye.